Welcome back. We learned how to transition from the first activity to the second activity using the explicit intents. In this video, we're going to pass data between different activities. In Android, we can use the method called putExtra that it's a part of intent class to attach additional information, extras, to the intent. Let's start using this explicit intent object that we created before, .putExtra. This is a method provided by the intent class in Android, and it's used to add extra data to the intent. The data can be of various types such as strings, integers, booleans, and etc. If we look closer, we have the key and value pairs. The key or the name is the first parameter, which is of type string, and you can see it here. It's a string identifier for the extra data. This key is used to later receive the data from the intent in the receiving activity. And the data to send, which is the value in the second parameter, is the actual data that you want to send. In this case, you can send boolean, byte, char, short, int, long, float, double, string, and whatever you want. I'll pass a key called my name, and the value would be Jack. So I'm passing a string as a key and the value a string Jack. Let's go to the second activity, which is the receiving activity. And here I need to initialize this text. I need to set this title text view with the past name that we passed with the putExtra method from the first activity to the second activity. In the onCreate method of the receiving class and the second activity, I need to create val received data equals to intent.getStringExtra. And here I specify the key. If I go back, the key is my name, and make sure that you copy it correctly here and paste it because it's case sensitive. Then I need to use the received data as needed. So text view, title text view dot text equals to welcome and the received data to our second activity. Okay, this is the second activity. Now let's run our application. I'll click this button and here we go. You can see Jack is passed from the first activity to the second activity with the help of putExtra method. So I'm passing the value Jack with the key my name from the first activity to the second activity.